Hi there everyone, we are once again joined by Brian McManus from the YouTube channel Real Engineering, and today he's wearing the white gloves of destiny. So Brian's going to do a lucky dip into the card catalogue. Do your thing, mate. Where are you going to go?
I'm going to try and shift around a bit so I lose my orientation.
Oh, okay. All right.
Wait, let's put these back first.
Go from the start. How deep are you going to go?
I think right in the middle sounds good if I am in the middle.
You like this one? Oh my goodness, Keith, you're going to love this. Go ahead, what have we got here?
Introducing a German gentleman who is on his way to South Australia.
I'm from Adelaide, which is the capital of South Australia.
So he's writing to John Frederick William Herschel. Of course, we know Herschel, great astronomer.
Dude, you have no idea how excited I am. I'm a little bit patriotic about South Australia.
Just on the bottom?
Yeah. This means you'll pay for it if anything happens.
Class.
You have to do it again now. If you shut your eyes again, find us a provisional, just in case.
Okay.
All right, you can go
Just
elsewhere.
in case. Try and get the handle first, okay.
All right, there we go. How deep? Oh.
Difficult to actually get a hold of them.
Yeah.
The white gloves. Okay, that seems good.
All right. Again, we've got a letter to John Herschel. So for the second time in a row, you've chosen a letter that's been written to John Herschel. Sends the official answer from the Admiralty about the Lassell affair. This is looking promising. I think you've done all right. How are you feeling?
It's interesting that I've got Herschel twice in a row.
Yes.
I presume he's in here a lot though.
We're off to the archives. This used to be in Antarctica, one of the science bases, and everyone who came and visited saw that.
Cool. A lot of names there.
So this entire stack here is all John Herschel correspondence, very famous astronomer. And we want your first pick, volume 6, so I'll give that one to you.
Okay, thank you.
And volume 4, what's your other one?
It really is no surprise that we pulled 2 letters from Herschel.
There's about 10,000 there, so yep, that's a big collection. Not the biggest, but not bad.
Okay.
This was HS6, and we're looking for letter 517, that's the one you chose.
This is the South Australia one.
Yes. I'm kind of laughing at this, imagining having all of your emails archived for your entire life.
We do keep digital archives, and that includes emails from the president and senior officers of the society. Yeah, we do.
Oh, wow.
Ah, so yours will be in there somewhere, Brady.
So emails I've sent to you will be archived forever?
Yeah.
In the Royal Society
In the
archives?
Royal Society. Don't you wish they were better written?
So do you want to do the honours for us, Brian? You want to read all that for us, please?
Yeah.
I struggle reading it as it is, so...
So this is from a guy called Benjamin Durbin. He's writing from Government House, and it's Monday, 6th of March. The year isn't marked, so we don't know precisely when this was written, but it's a letter to Sir John Herschel. And it's really, I guess, a letter of introduction. So he's saying that this guy, Dr. Dresden, a German gentleman who is presumably going to visit southern Australia, he says, is desirous of the introduction. So he's giving this as a credential for this Dr. Dresden. So a very, very brief letter, and he's just saying he's a good guy, look after him.
We don't know if this guy is up to scratch. I mean, this guy's saying he is. It's a bit friend of a friend of a friend.
Yeah, and why would he be going to South Australia? Perhaps on some sort of astronomical observation, maybe?
I could list you 1,000 reasons to go to South Australia.
Yes, yeah.
Always very nice too, I hear.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right, look, it's a bit disappointing, so I think we're going to have to go to the provisional and see if that's any better.
We need the second one, I think, really.
Okay.
So we're looking for a letter of Benjamin Collins Brody, who ended up being president of the Royal Society. So 288, this is the one.
What's this black? Is that done by the archivist, this black border, or is that...
No, that tells you that whoever wrote this letter, Benjamin Collins Brody, was in mourning. So a black-edged letter means that a close relation has died. So possibly his father or mother or wife, a child, something has happened, and that's why you get this black border.
This is new information to me.
Ah, right. I thought this was common knowledge.
I've seen this for years and never realised that. Did you know that?
No idea. And it doesn't matter whether the letter is in context of the morning or anything.
No, they would use, and you can see here there's a whole sequence of letters in that way. But here's more letters of Benjamin Collins Brodie. The period of mourning is over, and therefore he's not using like black-edged paper anymore. Okay, so let's have a look at reading this. It says, "My dear Sir John," here, "I send you the official answer from the Admiralty about Mr. Lascelles' affair. If you think it better that Mr. Lascelles should take it with him, he can do so. Otherwise, I would suggest that a copy of your statement on which the application was founded, with the answers from the Duke of Newcastle and the Duke of Somerset, and the enclosed letter from Mr. Rankin, I think possibly, should be preserved in the archives of the Royal Society." So again, he knows what he's talking about, but unfortunately he doesn't mention what the business is.
Okay.
So we're not too sure. Now, Lassell made telescopes. That's really what he's quite famous for. The letter afterwards, he's received something from Lassell, but again, he doesn't mention the nature of the business. It's probably about a telescope, I would think, but we can't really tell from the sequence of letters.
2 duds, I'm sorry.
I tell you what, if nothing else, I learned that these black borders that I've been seeing for years in the Royal Society archives in books like this, now I know what they mean.
Yeah, got some useful information out of it.
But really,
No.
you didn't do very well.
Oh well.
I've said it before. The gloves answer to only one master. I just don't know who that master is yet.
Yeah.
Because it's not me either.
The subtext there is the interesting bit. Raw material for the obtaining of sulfur and sulfuric acid.
All right, so pyrite is where you get sulfur from. There you go.
Yeah, so that could be a clue to why it's crumbling away there.
And the other elephant in the box, one of them is wrapped in paper and has warning signs. And
Black paper, yes.
This little note that comes with it says, "Please keep this specimen wrapped, as it will lose colour when exposed to light." This is Hackmanite